Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the unit and power ready. Now act. First, remove the lens cap and confirm the cable and remote are present because missing items slow you down. Plug in or charge until the LED shows sufficient battery. If on battery, aim for 50% or higher. Place the projector on a flat surface 1 to 3 meters from the wall. This distance creates a clear projection. Once positioned, angle the unit roughly toward the center of the wall and prepare to power it on. Power on the Astronaut Projector and choose a projection mode, static stars, rotating galaxy, or synced motion, using the remote or app. You should then adjust focus. Rotate the focus ring while observing the wall until points of light are sharp. If still fuzzy, move the unit slightly forward or back. Next, set brightness and rotation speed to match the room. Lower brightness reduces glare, while rotation adds depth. Finally, apply color filters or patterns, and set the timer if you want automatic shutoff. Once satisfied, lock the angle and save your preferred settings if the device allows saving, because you'll recreate the scene faster next time. Set the timer for 15 to 120 minutes depending on use. For best results, project onto a low-gloss, smooth wall. Textured or glossy surfaces distort colors and sharpness. If the image flickers or some stars vanish, check the power cable and battery first, then update firmware, restart the app, and clean the lens. These steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.